I'm going to show you in this video how you can create this wiggly text effect. Very simple. I'm doing this for the sake of learning, so you can learn something very short, so you learn something After Effects in a short amount of time. That's my goal of this video, so let's jump right in this video without wasting any second. Now here, let's create a new composition, and then here we're gonna duration 4, it's fine. Preset, you can go with this resolution, then click on OK, and then here let's add text, and then here I'm just gonna add some text. I can write Wiggly and then select the text, and now let's position it right in the middle. We can use the align tool here and position it here, and then later if you want we can move the anchor point, so should be in the middle here, because maybe you want to resize the text. And now what we're gonna have to do here, where we see the text, we're just gonna click on here, and then here we have animate, so click on that. And now here I'm just gonna add position, and then here for this one I'm just gonna add, so don't have to add position, you just add wiggly. And then here for this one here, I can add inside of this, I can add some position if I want to, but for now I can change the characters like so. I can move the letters and I can add a keyframe here. So I added this keyframe here, but then I'm gonna move, and then here I'm gonna reset this to 0 and then 0, and now I have this simple animation. If you want this faster, you can bring this closer, and you don't need this actually. This is the position, and then we have this wiggly effect. As you can see, this is what we're controlling, but if we actually have this wiggly, we can actually we can change the letters, you know. So yeah, if you want to add this wiggly effect, it's that's what you have to do. Now, other thing that you could add is also maybe some color. I don't know, maybe that's something you could add. Maybe some